In this video, I'll talk about how you can enroll on cash management in Webull. Now, the way that you can do this is you can do this from the desktop or from your phone app. So what you want to do is open either one of those. If you're on the phone, you want to click on the Webull logo, click on More, go to Cash Management, and click Apply Now. If you're on the desktop, you want to click on Menu in the top left corner inside of Webull. And then what you want to do is click Find and go to the Cash Management. Click Apply Now from in there. Now once you've done that, you want to complete the enrollment process. So just go through that. Activate your Webull debit card. And after you've done this, you will now be able to have the cash management features. So that is how that works, guys. It's really simple. Just keep in mind that you need to complete the enrollment first before it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.